Please.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
14.
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I'll read the summary back. I'll just read the summary of findings. Copy ನಾಳೆ.
Please.
The protection of human dignity does not cease at the gates of the prison. The prisoners, though deprived of liberty, are entitled to basic necessities, a caveat in accordance with law. Home cooked food for under trial prisoners is not prohibited, but it can be granted only in accordance with the prison rules and procedures noted herein above. Medical advice must precede the grant of home cooked food. Permission cannot be granted merely on request or as a matter of indulgence. The trial court's order is legally unsustainable as it directed grant of home cooked food without prior medical examination or recommendation. Granting of such concessions indiscriminately would create chaos in the prison management, as other inmates would also be entitled to similar treatment. It is a matter of concern regarding the adequacy and quality of prison food, noting that rupees 85 per day for 4 meals raises legitimate questions about nutritional sufficiency. To safeguard the prisoners' rights and to ensure transparency, I deem it appropriate to direct the digital publication of of the prison menu at conspicuous places, establishment of a complaint mechanism enabling prisoners to report deficiencies in food quality inter alia, if not one in place already. The medical officer or a designated dietitian shall conduct periodic inspection of the food prepared for the inmates and record their certification with regard to its quality, again intermittently. The state government shall issue a circular towards the procedure for the purpose of compliance with the directions. While setting aside the impugned order, liberty is reserved to the petitioner to seek home cooked food afresh, provided it is supported by medical advice and processed in accordance with the applicability of the prison rules quoted supra, also bearing in mind the observations made by the apex court in the case of the first respondent accused number 1. The aforesaid reasons with the allowed.
That amount, I think not 85 rupees, no, I think 125 rupees.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ?
It has been revised, my lord.
Recently, my lord.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
After the, I think that's in the last
No,
month, even it is re-reviewed, my lords. After the arguments heard by your lordship, my lords, then the tender was called by the DGAG prisons, then it is enhanced to the.
No, it was
including the
already
segregated
enhanced. I'll
for
give that
veg meals
number.
and
We'll
the
correct
non-veg
that.
meals.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
I think it's 125 rupees, no, I'll clarify, my lord.
125 also, 85 hitherto, 125 now
5 in the year
would
2024.
require a review. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ first sentence,
Okay.
human dignity does not stop at prison gates.
I'll just clarify that amount.
That will clarify.
Absolutely.
ಹಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
ಕ್ಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಥೆಫ್ಟ್
Mic
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 12 rupees ಅಂತ.
ಮೈಕ್. ಹಾ, ಎಸ್.
ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಥೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏನ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್?
ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಂ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಂ ಬಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 12 rupees ಪಾವತಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾ.
ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಂ ಬಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಟೋ OTP ಗಳು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ 12 rupees ಪಾವತಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು 14,60,000 ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
ಯಾರ್ ನೀ ಆಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನೀವಾ?
No, my lords, I'm just a housewife from Delhi.
ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್?
Yes, my lord.
ವೇರ್?
In Delhi, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
My lords, I went and purchased gold, Royal Lucas. That's the only allegation I have on me.
ಜೋಯ ಲುಕಾಸ? ಅದಕ್ಕೂ
But there is no
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
connection.
ಔಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಆಫ್ 14,60,000
ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಂ ಬಿಲ್ಗೂ ಜೋಯ ಲುಕಾಸ್ಗೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ?
ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 14,60,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ 1,98,000 ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವರಿಗೆ 9,75,000, 2,87,000. ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಇವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ 1,98,000 ಇವ್ರ ಜೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಖಾತೆದಾರರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಇವರು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯ ಜಾಯ್ ಅಲುಕಾಸ್ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಗ್ರಾಂ ತೂಕ ಇರುವ 2 ಚಿನ್ನದ ನಾಣ್ಯವನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿ
ಅವ್ರ
ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಇವ್ರ ಐಡಿ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಈ 1,98,000 ನಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಆ ಐಡಿ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
My lords, there was a third party financer who basically financed this purchase.
Your purchase of gold.
Yes, my lords. So then what I did was I went and paid him in installments. So that's the case, my lords. And the transactions are clear, my lords. And I have a bill for it also.
Bill alla, there's some cartel operating this. Otherwise, how can 14 lakhs be debited?
My lord, there was no transaction which came into my account.
No,
So it's
ಇದು
all bona fide
17,000
transactions.
17,000 ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಮಣಿಕಂಠ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏನದು? Who is he? Page 42.
This is the Joey Lucas third party financer, my lords.
Then there must be something more than what meets the eye here. ಕೊಡಿ papers ಕೊಡಿ. Just on Tuesday, fresh matters.
Grateful, my lord.
Let me see. Yes.
23.
23 also charges are framed.
306, sir.
306
Charge
and-
frame
Charge
ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ
frame 11,
306
11,
and
320,
306 and 506.
Please, my lord.
Charge framed.
11, 325.
My lord, I am not at all in that.
Charge
village, my lord.
framed.
Allala, I do agree, my
I
lord.
agree ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗೀತು. I don't
At least
agree. Yes.
At least tomorrow, my lord.
No, so what?
The thing is, my lord,
Hmm.
so I am not at all in that village. I am from to 2022, January 2022, I am in Tumku.
Hmm.
I am not at all residing in Madenahalli, my lord.
ಅದ್ಯಾವುದು?
ಅದು ಆ ಊರ ಹೆಸರು.
ಹಾ,
ಆ ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಊರ ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
I may be permitted to read a few.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ. Everything charge frame ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ not interfere.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್
ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ.
That's a matter of evidence.
Then
If you are
the
taking plea of alibi, it's
Petitioner number 2 is, she is a senior citizen, my lord. She is around 63, 64 years.
10. Yes.
She is 62, 63, 64 years, my lord. I may be permitted to read a
No,
few.
madam. I will not permit you to read anything if charges are framed. Alle alla urge every contention there.
ಅಲ್ಲ petitioner number 2 ನಾದ್ರೆ exempt ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
63 years ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಿ application. 80 ಮೇಲಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು interfere ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
She is a senior citizen. She is not at all in that
No, sir.
place. And moreover,
No,
my
madam. Yes.
and moreover, my
The
lord.
petitioners are before this court calling in question, seeking the following prayer. The learned HCGP on verification of the records or even the petitioner would would submit and admit that charges have been framed in the case at hand and the trial is on. At the trial being progressed to a large extent will not
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್
would
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
not
ನಿಮಿಷವೂ
mean,
ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, would not mean that this court would entertain the petition under section 482 of the CRPs. The learned counsel submits that there is a good case on merits as there is no abetment to suicide, as the petitioners were not even present in the said village. All these would become a matter of evidence in the light of the trial being, in the light of the evidence, trial being at the stage of evidence. I deem it appropriate to dispose the petition with a direction to the concerned court to conclude. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದಿದು?
2023, my.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
23 FIR, 24
ಸರಿ,
charge.
ಅದೇನ್ ಬೇಡ. I deem it appropriate ಬೇಡ. The learned counsel submits that the first petitioner must be exempted from appearance as
ಅಲ್ಲ
she is.
second petition.
Second petition must be exempted from appearance as she is 63 years old. If that be so, it is for the said second petitioner to approach to file a necessary application before the concerned court seeking exemption. And the concerned court shall consider the same in accordance with law and pass necessary orders thereon. With the aforesaid observations, the petition stands disposed. Yes, next.
20.
ಇದು freezer liರೋ cow meat na ನೀವು slaughtered ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. What sir?
Was in the possession of
In the meantime, yes.
ಅದು
Freezer lidiತ್ತಾನೆ?
Please, Manoj,
Freezer.
it was in the freezer.
ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ
ಹೌದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ.
Petitioner,
in the meantime, yes, next.
meantime,
21.
In the meantime,
22.
meantime, stay.
in the meantime, yes.
Obliged.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ? ನಮ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ
22
ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್
minutes
ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ
charges.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ confuse ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದೇನೆ. ಎಸ್.
22 minutes charges are frame, my lords.
353, 307
Yes, my lord.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್.
Charge has not been framed, my lord.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ.
No, my lord.
ಏ,
Even we have verified, my lord.
ಹಾ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಏನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮನ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
My lord, Swift car ಹತ್ತಿಸಕ್ಕೆ
ಓ,
ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಂತ
ಹತ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Page
Allegations,
80
my
page
lord. As
83 minutes.
I am producing the order sheet, my lord, of the claim number 17. Before magistrate, I clearly stated I was arrested on second only, my lord.
ಹ್ಮ್.
Page
Even I have
83.
reported the ill treatment by the police also. In this regard, I have filed a PCR. my
ನೀವು
lord.
ಸ್ವಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಹತ್ಸಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
My lord, there are totally in 3 crimes they have connected in a 12 hours, my lord. Around on 2/2/2023, my lord,
ಹ್ಮ್.
around 1 o'clock, the 307 came to be registered against
ಯಾಕೆ
me.
ಹೇಳಿ 1 o'clock ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಕುಡ್ದು ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ.
No, my lord, this is a different crime, my lord. Crime number 17 has been registered on 2/2/2023, my lord. In that crime number, the complaint was deputed to arrest the accused persons, my lord. On 3/2/2023, my lord,
Your offenses are clearly met, both of 307. 307 will see 353 ಅಂತೂ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್.
my lord, on 3/2/2023, my lord, around 2:15, my lord,
It meets all the ingredients of what the apex court holds for 353.
my lord, my contention is I was arrested earlier day only, my lord. In this regard, I have
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ his defense is 353 ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತ ಮಾರನೇ ದಿನ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಿಂಗೇನೆ.
I have reported to magistrate also, my lord, when during my protocol.
ಹಾ?
Charges has not been framed. my lord.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Page 83 minutes. Page 83. Last. Page number 83. Order sheet. Respect to SC number 54 of 24, my lords. 20
ಕಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್
My lord, this is a corrected crime, my lord.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಫೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ if 307 will see 353 definitely there. You have blocked policeman from working.
No, SC 54, SC 54, he's asking for quashing of SC 54.
ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಮಿಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
This is an order sheet of SC
It has been
54.
committed, my lord, not as charge has been framed, my lord.
Your Lordship is
Just check
prayer,
and-
is SC 54.
Check and let me know, sir.
Committed, my lord, not charge has not been framed.
Yes. Tuesday ತಗೊಂತೇನೆ information ತಗೊಂಡು. Yes. List on Tuesday.